Hello students, this is my next video on the topic merits and demerits of sole proprietorship. So let us first discuss about the merits. Merits means advantages of sole proprietorship. That how it is a positive factor for a sole proprietorship to run a business individually. So point number one is quick decision. Decision. If a single person is running a business, he can take the decision on his own. He don't need to consult anybody else regarding the decisions to be taken care of. His own decisions are so quick that there will be no delays, there will be no clashing of the decisions, no clashing of the ideas, no delays of the ideas, so that he can run his business very smoothly, because he has a decision of he wants to do the things, he don't want to do the thing, which means the decisions will be having no delay in the culture. Point number two is confidential. Confidential means secrets. The secret of the business should not be shared. In case of sole proprietorship, it is very confidential that the secrets of the business, of profits, of XYZ, of accounts, they are not being published in the books and it is not being present to the general public. हम वो लोगों को नहीं दिखाते, because all the secrets of the business are kept in the mind of the particular sole proprietor or somewhere else he wants to keep it. Which means the confidentiality is the merit of the particular sole proprietorship, because he is the only single owner. He has the secrets and he will remain it with. Third point is direct incentive. Means जितनी मेहनत करोगे उतना मुनाफा मिलेगा. The more efforts you put in the business, the more reward you get. Now what is the reward of the business? As we discussed in the chapter number 1, reward is basically profit. जितनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा efforts लगाएंगे, the more efforts you put into the business, the more profit you get into the business, and every profit is for the sole proprietor. Which means there will be happier face for the sole proprietor, because he is putting more and more efforts, he will be getting more and more rewards for the business. Fourth point is sense of accomplishment, which means yes, I have done it. Accomplishment, I have achieved this, I have done this work. This is a self-satisfaction, this is a self-confidence. And this in sole proprietorship, every work is being done by the sole proprietor. If everything is being done by the sole proprietor, he has a sense of accomplishment that he has done the deal, he has closed the sales, he has got the profit, which means there will be personal satisfaction for the business, because no other else is being doing the business. He himself takes entire confidence and satisfaction for the business, because he is running the business. Point number 5 is ease of formation and dissolve. We have discussed in features, which means formation and closure is very easy. There is no legal complexities or legal formalities to start the business and to end the business. कोई भी legal formalities नहीं है. Just to keep in mind, if you are closing a business, you need to give attention that you need to repay the debts. जिससे आपने उधार पे सामान लिया या उधार से पैसा लिया, उनको आपको पैसा वापस करना पड़ेगा. This is only the duty, moral duty in this business, because there is no formation and no closure entity of this particular, which means you can easily close down the business, you can easily open the business as and when you want, just need to pay the debts. Now coming to the demerits, or which we call as disadvantages. Point number 1 is limited resources. Business में resources बहुत limited होती है. Let us take 2 resources. पहला man resource, single. दूसरा money resource. यहाँ पे हम money resource की बात करें, पैसे की बात करें. Single person बहुत ही कम पैसा ला सकता है, because he will bring money from own house and own property and all things. And the second, he need to borrow the money. दो चीजों से ला सकते हैं, तो खुद का पैसा लगाएगा या फिर he will bring money from some other sources as a borrowing. बट बोरिंग भी क्या होती है, लिमिटेड होती है, बिकॉज हर बिजनेस के अंदर बोरिंग्स लिमिटेड क्यों की जाती है, बिकॉज हर एक पर्सन को बोरिंग्स को रीपे भी करनी है, तो बर्डन ऑफ वर्क ज्यादा हो जाता है. इन दैट केस दिस इज अ वेरी लिमिटेड क्रेडिट रेज. बैंक्स भी इनको फंड्स ज्यादा देने के लिए हिचकिचाता है, व्हिच मींस दे आल्सो हेजिटेट टू गिव द फंड्स मोर एंड मोर. दैट्स व्हाई दिस बिजनेस इज नॉट बीइंग सूटेबल फॉर मीडियम स्केल. इसलिए इसको कौन सा स्केल बोला जाता है, सोल प्रोवाइडर को स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस. Second point is limited life of a business. As features point, lack of continuity, it is the same. Life of the business is quite very limited, because here is a single person who is running the business, and the life of that particular person will be very less, because he might suffer from insolvent, bankrupt, divalia, death. He may occur in death, insane, mentally disturbed and all that. So in this case, the business may hamper and business can come to an immediate effect. Third one is unlimited liability, same features point. This is the same concept of if you have taken loan or if you have taken like funds from borrowing, आपने किसी से उधार से पैसा लिया है, 1 लाख रुपए आपने उधार पे लिया था, 60,000 you can repay easily if you are closing the business. Remaining 40,000 you need to repay the amount by using your personal assets. आपको अपनी personal assets भी use करनी पड़ेगी. That's why this word is called unlimited. जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं होती, आपकी personal assets भी use हो जाएगी. Now, point number 4 is limited managerial skills. Single person have very limited skills. He can't be expert in all and every field. तो limited skills होने के कारण he can't be good at all the time. For example, let us take an example. I am running a business. I am a sole proprietor. In this case, I might be good at sales. मैं sales में बहुत अच्छा हूँ, but I am not good in accounts. I am not good in finance. I am not good in purchase. I won't be a good manager. तो हर काम लेकिन मुझे खुद को करने पड़ेंगे, which means I will be overburdened with the each and every task. इस कारण से क्या हो जाएगा? मेरी skills of manager skills क्या है? Limited है, which means I can't be expertise in each and every field. This is the concept of demerit for me. So students, we have discussed about the two main topics, that is merits of sole proprietorship and demerits of sole proprietorship. Thank you so much. Do visit my next video on the further topic of chapter number 2. Thank you.